Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Brain and I welcome you to my channel. Would you like to be faster than the calculator? Then you are in the right place. Welcome to the second video of the Mental Math series in which I will explain how to perform fast mental calculations. In this video I will show you a basic but very impressive trick about the square of any two digits number ending in 5. Let's start by calculating 15 squared, 15 times 15. The last two digits are always 25. Instead, the first digits are given by the product of 1 by the next number of 1, which is 2. Therefore, 1 times 2 is equal to 2. So 15 squared is equal to 225. As you can see, this is a quick and easy method to find the square of any two-digit numbers ending in 5. Let's calculate the square of 25 with this method. The last two digits are always 25. The first digits are given by the product of 2 by the next number of 2, which is 3, so 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So 25 squared equals 625. We were faster than the calculator. Let's now calculate the square of 35. The last two digits are always 25, while the first digits are given by the product of 3 times 4, which is equal to 12. So the solution is 1225. To become good at mental calculation, we need to practice a lot. Now we can easily answer the initial question, 95 squared. The last two digits are always 25, while the initial digits are given by the product of 9 times 10, which equals 90. So the answer is 9025. Thanks to this very powerful method, we answered the initial question in less than a second. We concluded with the second mental math lesson. I hope you liked it. What a great question. What a fantastic solution. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget Mr. Brain solve problems.